Reduction to one side, U-shape and a flat piece. This is made using a climaver board. In this example, the aim is to obtain a duct with cross-section C times D from a main duct with original cross-section A times B. When possible, start this assembly with the flat side, which provides a good guide from which to construct the rest. To construct the U-shape, two cuts are made with the red mm tool at distances A and B, measured with the square ruler, as if creating a regular straight duct. Two lines also have to be marked that should be parallel to the ship-lapped ends at distance X on both sides. This may be the same distance or not. On the side of the board that is going to be reduced, a line is traced from the X line to the shiplap at a distance of C plus 1 centimeter. Note, C is the dimension or height at the end of the reduction. Another line is traced of dimension C plus 2 centimeters on the opposite side of the second cut. After the second cut, another line is traced of dimension A plus 2 centimeters to X. To obtain the reduction's lid, cut the last piece using the blue mm tool with dimension B as shown. It needs to be to the side of the U-shape template already cut out. The blue tool is used as it creates the foil flaps through which the two pieces can be stapled together. An internal cut is realized on one side and an external one on the other. This lid will be shorter than the other three. Just cut off what is not necessary. Finally, staple and tape the two pieces together.